Hello, thank you for watching Montessori Lessons channel. I'd like to let everyone know that I recently changed my channel name to Montessori Lesson Channels. Today I will be showing everyone how to use the sound cylinders. The first step is to show the child how to carry the sound cylinder box from the sensorial shelf to the work mat by carrying it with both hands, and the teacher and child each carry one set each. After placing the cylinders on the work mat, take out one cylinder at a time from each set. Starting with the red set, match the sound from the red set to the blue set. When shaking the cylinder, hold it using the thumb and the fingertips so the sound does not get muffled. Now I'm going to find the same sound in the blue set. These are a match. 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 Next, make sure all the cylinders match by shaking each one from each set. Once all the cylinders are made sure it matches, store one set back in its box. After one set stored in its box, use the other set to grade the sound from loudest to quietest or quietest to loudest, either way. Now I'm going to make sure it is graded correctly from loudest to quietest by shaking each one. Part of the video, I will be showing some homemade sound cylinders. Cylinders that I made using old GA bag boxes. Sound cylinders can also be made using jars or toilet paper rolls by filling them with beans, rice, and paper clips, or using different quantities of the same material. The purpose of this lesson is to teach the child the difference of volume of loudest and quietest. This ends my video for today. Please subscribe and press the like button. Thank you for watching.